In today's video, we're going to have a look at Scan Unlimited. Now, this is a software tool that is an absolute essential in my opinion if you're doing Amazon FBA wholesale. We've released it in our wholesale course video. People are starting to use it already. Now, we've covered other wholesale scanners on this channel, PROFITL, BuyBot Pro, but unlike the other scanners, this one is specifically a paid subscription. There is a free trial which we'll get into and we'll go through the subscription plans. But this one is actually worth paying for. Unlike many of the other scanners and scraping sites that we've covered, that there's pros and cons to them. This one just seems to have nothing but pros. Welcome back everyone to Deal Hunters. I hope of course you are all well. Now what you're going to see here is a bit of a mishmash of the video that we've actually put out in the wholesale course. There is a difference to the wholesale videos versus the actual videos that you see on the YouTube channel. The YouTube, it's a bit more engaging, asking for comments and stuff like that, and obviously we're talking about our products. The wholesale cuts all that out. So that's why you're going to see a bit of a mix match. I also just want to get the promo out of the way before we get into today's video. There is a 25% discount code off down below. Please use it before it expires. That will get you 25% off your wholesale journey. Everything we're talking about in today's video is in that. Better yet, we give you a list of 200 wholesalers. You tell me one other company that is giving you 200 wholesalers straight off the bat that you can start your Amazon FBA business. It's outstanding. We're getting on with good feedback. It can actually help expedite your whole process. If this is something that you're considering, take the chance. If this is something that you're only starting off, you will learn everything you need to know. Take the chance. Back yourself to make either if it's just a good side hustle or a full-time job. It can be a mix of that. It doesn't have to be all in. This is my life. Give up everything for this. Absolutely not. Stop putting it off though. Give it a go. Try it, see if it's for you. I guarantee that if you do what's in the course, you will make this a huge success. It just takes time and patience. Now that the promo's over, let's get into today's video. Now it's a paid service, so like anything, when you're paying for something, you'd expect it to be better, and that is the case. However, there is a free trial, which you can look at here, and you can get one file a month. Probably better to use the other free softwares and then use maybe a bigger file for this, something that will take longer. Because I think at the current time of recording, BuyBot Pro and PROFITL, they're limited. You can only do so much scanning, which is okay again if you're only starting. But really, after a month or two, you'll want to get going. This here one, you can try it and see, but this is the one that you really want. The unlimited package, $70 a month. Now that's about £55 sterling. Good thing is we can get you discount down below. We're using the code. You'll get discount. So check out the codes down below. They get the discount when you're ready for it. But this software really will speed up the process so much, save you so much time, and give you more accurate results that it really does pay for itself. But I appreciate at the start, you want to try things and all that. Again, if you go for the year, you'll get it down to $60, which is about £45 with a discount below. You'll get this for under £10 a week, and that really is a bargain. So let's look at the software then. We've been using this for about 3 months now, and it, like I said, based on our results, it's far surpassing. We've done a deal with Scan Unlimited to get the codes down below, and they've rolled out the Scan Unlimited accounts to the Deal Hunters team. So initially, when you get Scan Unlimited, there'll be a pop-up that'll come up here, and it'll tell you to link your Amazon FBA account. All it is doing is looking at the product lists and stuff like that. So there's nothing security reasons you need to be wary of. Scan Unlimited, by the way, is not something that's just came out of the woodwork. The last couple of years, predominantly was USA. Now it's into Europe, UK, but it's a company that's been around, well over 6 years now. So it's a company that is established and that you can trust. The reason there is only one scan is because I actually recorded this tutorial, but I didn't have my screen recorder on, so I did all this video already, and I'm having to redo it, which is very frustrating because I could have showed you. But all you've missed is the account setup, linking it to your Amazon account, and then uploading a scan, which we're going to go over hopefully again, and this time it is recording. Training, I'm not going to talk too much about it because there's plenty of training. I'm just going to show you quickly how to set up a scan. Here is the training, plenty there. There's community, you can get the extension, YouTube, all of that, the usual stuff. You can get product folders and settings. Settings, we'll just have a quick look at different marketplaces. Like I said, Europe, UK, USA, United Kingdom, your account stuff, your passwords, scan settings. So here, currency, whatever way you want it. You can even do Bitcoin, which is crazy. But British pound sterling is what we are doing. Default condition is obviously new because it's all new products. Default marketplace, so you can change that to United Kingdom. Default preset, none. Email notifications, let you know. Keep your subscription on. You can put shipping costs on. Default Amazon check. How far do you want Amazon to go back? 180 days is fair. We would leave that as it is. Default keep it. Chart date range. Default date range for viewing keep it charts in scans. 30 days. Again, fine. You know, go in and adjust the suit as always. But that's really it. It's as simple as that. Up to here, you'll see this big, huge button, which will say new scan. Click new scan. Drag or drop. Okay, so first off, it has to be the usual Excel file. So we put this in. Here it is, all of the stuff. So if we look down here, this is the settings. And all this is, just like the other ones, you have to place it so it knows. So the UPC, you want to search by the UPC, or perhaps if there's, you know, whatever, the EAN code or whatever. But in this scenario, we're going to go with the UPC. You can name it whatever you want. So if you get different sheets in, perhaps this will be, you know, March list or March toys or whatever, you know, product. Good thing to always pick a different title, because it can get lost. Might seem a bit silly at times, but trust me, it is easier to have some sort of labeling or naming system in place. Product ID column, so this is the UPC, the barcode, whatever it may be. So you're looking, and these are the titles that are actually on the sheet. This is the Excel sheet, and this is how it's presented. So there's all these different things here. So outer barcode, barcode. I know that this barcode is what I'm looking for. That is the UPC that I'm looking. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to look for, well, where's the barcode? Barcode, there's it there. Barcode linked. UK is the marketplace. Cost column. So I'm scrolling up. What is this? So there's the price or each. You're going to go each in this scenario because you don't want it to be factoring in the full price. So we scroll down. Go to each. British pound currency. So this scenario, it is a UK company, but this is related to the actual sheet itself. So if you're, say, got a wholesaler from America that you're looking to import and everything's in dollars, well then of course you'll change it to dollars. But in this scenario, it is British pound. So just, it is based on whatever the sheet currency is. Custom columns. Now this one, again, it depends on what you're looking for. Perhaps the pack, size of the pack, because maybe if it's say it's a good profitable product with a high ROI, but you have to buy 100 of the products and they only sell maybe 30 a month, you might think twice about buying it. So I would actually add in the pack just so I know how much I need to buy. Another thing that you'll want to do is maybe add in the unique code, so the product code. This is so it'll tie up with your Excel sheet, so if it does find a deal, it's easy to find. So I'm going to do product code. That's fine. Condition is new. VAT registered, well, self-explanatory. Are you VAT? Are you not VAT registered? Whatever. We'll just turn that off for now. So this is now scanning. When you see how quick this is, done. Isn't that quick? So we go to scans. You can see here, completed. That is the valuable thing. There's no more get an email in a couple of hours when it's finished. There's no waiting about. If you want to start scanning things and find products, if you've got a couple of hours, you can do that with Scan Unlimited. There's no uploading and then coming back, which is very inconvenient. So let's bring this up quickly and we'll have a look. So you'll see here, you can favorite. Does look like a good deal. You can see here the price history. Brings up the charts. You can go to obviously the Amazon page. Product image, which is good. Product detail. We click this here. It'll even go into further details for you. You can see buy box 90-day average. Everything you'd want is here. Tells you about the sellers, profit calculator. Everything is here, and it is so neat. And there's even an eBay page, which is great because we've talked about when you maybe get stuck with stuff and you can't get rid of it. How do you do that? And then if you scroll across, you can see all the different details: the brand, the cost, price, profit, return on investment, the whole lot. Everything is here. Like, there is so much detail, and there's their custom codes down the end here, so I can go and find the products themselves. Now you might go, okay, well that's a lot of products still. Well done. What could you do? Well, you can scan, filter by anything: ASIN, title, brand. Look at all these different options, anything you want. But the main things you might go with is return on investment. You want it to be greater than 25%. 25. Add. Say what? Net profit. You want it to be greater than 80p. Add. and that'll do. Just go back, it'll update. Again, how quick is this? And again, you can set this up as a preset. And just like that, 22 products. So now we have 22 products. We can go across here, filter it whatever way you want. Do you want it to be top end, profit only, low end, profit only? Do you want it to be about how many sales are selling? You can check it all out. You can see here, net profit £1, return on investment 27%. This is the profit. You can scroll right down. Look at this here, £18, £11. Now this here, you know it's 105, pack of 4. So 4 of them would be £4.20. £4.20 then would be the adjustment. You have to obviously still do a check on them, but look how quick that is. How much time could that save you over a month? That's the video. Hope you found this one informative. Like I said, Scan Unlimited, it's definitely worth trying. Fair enough, you might not be at that stage yet, build up to it, but definitely when you're ready, it will speed up your whole process. Saving time makes you money, and that's just the way that it goes. So please like, subscribe, help us grow the channel, get into the free Discord if you're considering it. And as I said, our wholesale course is live, the deal sheet's live, it's all good. Check out the website for further information, and I will see you all in the next video.